Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some errands to run and my real hair has so much product in it. It needs to be washed honestly, but it is so windy and cold right now that wet hair is a no. So I got this new unit from Hairvivi that I'm about to put on, and it's perfect because we know that Hairvivi units are like ready out of the box. I've done nothing to this unit and it looks really freaking good. The hairline is plucked perfectly, and I don't think I've ever showed you guys what Hairvivi units look like in the natural light. Hey, so yeah, I don't think I've ever showed you guys what Hairvivi units look like in the natural light. So I'm going to take this outside for you guys today so we can see their fake scalp in the light, because we know that their unit comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and then it has their fake scalp in it. So it does a really good job at camouflaging the knots, but I don't think I've ever zoomed in outside so we can see what it looks like. So yeah, this is the unit I'm going to be putting on today. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove these side tabs first. Got a little gray hair.
Damn right, I already know what's on your mind. I already know what's on your mind.
So I'm gonna style it on the wig head. I'm gonna go in with this olive oil mousse. Actually running low. My Peachy Essentials parting comb.
And you can try, but you can hide it from me. You think it's secret, but it's easy to see. I already know what's on your mind. Nobody wants to be alone, so get on board and have some fun. And what will happen when we're gone?
This is just a wax stick.
It doesn't matter anymore, 'cause when I hear the music through the walls, and in the center of it all, I want boys, girls, boys. All I need, girls, boys, girls.
So I get this question all the time about cutting the lace. I literally cut as close to the hairline as possible. Literally, and I kind of like to flick it like that so that I'm not getting like a straight tear. I know you can use the little razors like this, but I don't really like using these. I prefer using these little scissors that came in a sewing kit, and I just literally like flick it out like that so it's not giving me like a straight edge. As close to the hairline as I can. Sometimes I even go in on the hairline. Literally like that. And you guys know I prefer to cut it off of my head. One, because you can see the shape better than when it's against your skin, because sometimes your real hair kind of like fades into it underneath, especially if you have like a lot of baby hairs. It can kind of like mess up your view. But if you do it on the wig head, I also used to do it on my knee. Like I used to put the wig over my knee and like use my knee as a wig head so that I could see. But like when it's placed against this, you can just see where to cut better. This lace looked a little dark when I first put it on. Let me see again. Because I know they switched and they're supposed to have like better lace now. I don't know, it actually looks good. Damn, am I going glueless today? I wasn't intending to. Y'all think I'm going glueless? I have to cut the ear tabs, I think, a little bit.
God, you wrapped around my little finger. Damn right.
just taking a bobby pin and kind of clamping down the sides. Learned this from Simone. And it kind of just holds it in place. That's crazy. This is really like glueless. I'm gonna take a little bit of my edge control just to like slick it back. Just a little bit. And it like kind of melts the lace in. So while my flat irons are heating up, I'm gonna kind of leave like a loose wave with it. I'm just gonna curl it with the flat irons, but I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation and go over the part. But y'all, this in the front right here, once I added the edge control, ignore my scar, but that looks crazy.
Nobody wants to be alone, so get on board and have some fun. And what will happen when we're gone? It doesn't matter anymore, 'cause I hear the music through the wall, and in the center of it.
I think I'm gonna cut just the front pieces a little bit. Yeah, my razor still melted. Okay, so I'm all done, and this is what it is looking like, y'all. It is not tacked down, okay? Like, not tacked down. So now I can go outside and show you guys what it looks like in the natural sunlight. Okay, guys, so I'm outside. I'm trying to find the light. It's like the trees are like blocking everything right now. There we go. So y'all see it's still not tacked down on the sides, but so here we are in the shade, y'all. It's still not tacked down. I'm like on my knees on this little cushion down here trying to find the sun, y'all. It's really peeking through the trees today. And he's bothering me. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, if you guys have any other videos you want to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Everything will be in the description box like always. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.